Up until a fortnight ago, Wrexham were unbeaten here at home on the racecourse, and it took Bournemouth, who are currently second in the division, to take away that record. Well, Wrexham are now lying in the top half of the third division, and tomorrow's opponents, Rotherham, are in the middle of the fourth division. So on paper, Wrexham should have an easy game. But how does manager John Neal rate their chances?
It was a team who were very unfortunate to be relegated last season. A team who have always had some hard games, good side. I think it's going to be difficult.
It's a great pity that you lost your unbeaten record. What happened in that game against Bournemouth?
But against Bournemouth, the conditions were bad. I'm not complaining there. They had the breaks that mattered. They got the goal that mattered, a deflection and straight onto one of their players' head, and he knocked it in. We didn't have that little bit of luck. I think this was the difference between the two sides.
Now, many top managers have said the game should be put in cold storage for about a month during this fuel crisis. What do you think of that?
Oh, I think we are in a crisis, no doubt about it, but for everybody to turn around and pack up and throw the towel in, I think this is diabolical. I'm looking for the British spirit now. Let's get on with things, let's make the best of it. Let's not cry and moan, as everybody's doing. Let's get out there and do something about it. Let's work and at least give some entertainment and relaxation instead of all the moans. Let's have something to cheer about.
Now, you'll obviously be going flat out tomorrow because a win could give you a chance at a first division side. How do you rate your chances?
I'd like to test my team, who played very well last week, against a good first division side on the racecourse. We played quite a number away on their grounds, but never had the opportunity, well, in the last few years, of playing against a top class club here, and this would be nice.
Well, let's hope that Wrexham do get their chance to meet a first division side here at the racecourse. But what about the chances tomorrow of Merthyr, the Southern League side who meet Hendon? Merthyr's manager is John Charles.
I hope that the game will go in favour of us, really, but we will treat this game as any other game, really.
Have you seen Hendon play before?
No, I've never seen Hendon play before. I've heard about them, but I don't like watching teams play before we play them, Peter, because I think it gives you a false impression of what they can do and what they can't do. They're coming down a second fiddle sort of thing, and we are the top dogs, and it's going to be very, very hard.
How much enthusiasm is there in Merthyr for this game, which if you win puts you in amongst the big boys in the next round?
Well, at the moment the fever is very, very high at Merthyr, actually. I think we will get about 3,000 to 4,000 people there tomorrow, compared with 600 for league games, so there's going to be a bit of atmosphere there as well.
And this will be the best performance ever by Merthyr if you win in the FA Cup, won't it?
It will be the first time that they've gone through to the third round, and let's hope that we do get through, that's all.